again, this is just going to be a scrap thing anyway. So I got this can here, and it's going to leave, you know, a little bit of space all the way around. So I just got to center them up, pull them off this side, about an eraser's worth. Put them off this side about an eraser's worth. And about an eraser worth there. Double check. So we'll draw us a radius, and we'll try to cut to the inside of that. We'll go down here, pull it off about an eraser worth. About an eraser worth. Oh, way more than an eraser worth over here. We're twisting a little bit. I like it for what I'm doing. Oh, that's going to be, I have to cut away the inside of that. Maybe get a little bit more here. Need a sharper pencil rather than this thing. All right, there we go. So we'll see how we line up. Like that. What about this side of it? I don't know. What do y'all think? So we're going to cut that out, and that'll be the drawer. So I have to gouge a hole in that too somehow. So I'm going to cut to the inside with the bandsaw. Give myself as much wood around the outside. Hey, we'll see what happens, all right? Let's go. Do the bandsaw.